Beware of illegal video cassettes. Check whether this video cassette carries a genuine security sticker. Video piracy is a crime. Do not accept it. Demand a genuine cassette from your video store. Poor quality illegal video cassettes reduce your viewing pleasure and jeopardize future film production. When in doubt, telephone the Federation Against Copyright Theft, FACT, on 081 568 6646.
This ain't no game, Flash.
In a world of gridiron heroes, where a handful of men are corrupting the sport.
You're talking about billions. That's 9 zeros, son.
It's not whether you win or lose, but how you play the odds.
So you're gonna bribe some senators to legalize gambling?
Legalize sports gambling.
Joe Hallenbeck's a private detective who's run out of luck.
If you touch me again, I'll kill you.
2 for 2.
Told you.
Jimmy Dix
I like Chris.
is an ex-quarterback who was thrown out of football.
Another tragic tale of wasted youth.
You're nobody.
Don't tell anyone.
They've got one shot
My girl's dead. The guys that did it up at Spago's eating chicken Marcella.
to clean up their acts
You vacuum, I'll dust.
and clean up the game of football.
Taking up a U.S. senator is a pretty ballsy move.
You said it, Joe boy. That's why we're going to frame you for the senator's murder.
Son, we're going to a ball game.
This once, I would like to hear you scream in pain.
Play some rap music. That was a bomb? Yeah, that or a hell of a factory recall.
Bruce Willis, Damon Wayans, the last Boy Scout.
Danger's my middle name.
Mine's Cornelius. Tell anybody I'll kill you.
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just about 4 hours late here, Rita.
Gita.
Anita.
Gita. Gita.
Close.
Olympic star Doug Dorsey's the best hockey player in America, and he's about to retire. Kate Mosley was America's sweetheart,
Until Hercules here learns how to lock his grip, this will have to do.
and she's got a nickname that rhymes with rich.
What a...
For both of them, the Olympics had become a faraway dream
Here, you try.
until someone
Those are figure skates, pal.
set up the ultimate blind date.
Who the hell do you think you are?
I'm a guy who came a long way for lunch.
Please don't let me keep you from the trough.
Enough!
The king of the rink and America's ice queen just became a team.
Don't quit your day job.
Would you please put me down? You frighten me!
Guess that move needs some work.
You've been doing what? I've been a little figure skating.
Finger painting?
As a matter of fact, I do have a boyfriend.
What do you do, keep him chained up in the basement?
I don't like to see her upset.
If I was you, I'd invest in blindfolds. Are they gonna get it? Before they kill each other?
You look really nervous. How nervous are you?
Dorsey and Mosley, the American Olympic team's best shot at the goal.
You're falling for him.
Oh, that's crazy. Wait, you missed it. I am throwing myself at you. Get out of my way.
No problem. Been practicing that move for a year and a half.
D.B. Sweeney,
Man, would I love to see you play hockey.
Moira Kelly,
Any day.
the cutting edge.
It's not like his nose was perfect.
all started on a Tuesday in March. If George hadn't introduced me to Alice...
Let's not do anything cheap and meaningless.
Okay, what do I owe you?
She hadn't been so spectacular. Maybe I wouldn't have gotten so loaded that night.
10 minutes. I'll be as good as new.
And none of this would have happened.
Something's happened at the Magnascopics facility in Santa Mira.
Next thing I knew, I went from high profile to no profile.
What have they done to me?
Wait a minute, who are you guys?
Keep your mouths shut, all of you. You're in a state of molecular flux. If you want to live, you're gonna have to trust us.
Where have you been? Everybody's looking for you.
I'm here. Sort of.
I want my molecules back!
Now there's a price in my head.
The single most exotic intelligence asset on the planet is ours.
I don't sleep well. I can see through my eyelids, I can see through the top of my head.
But I'll never sell out.
Think of the adventure we could have together. Oh.
Yeah, we can go to Frontierland.
Don't be afraid. It's me, Nick. You want to sit down?
If not for Alice,
We're the only people that can give you your life back.
I'd be lost forever.
You have a face again.
You don't have any body makeup, do you? Dropped about 10 pounds. But I'd look great naked.
She saw me through it all.
I got him.
Nick, I love you!
Chevy Chase.
Morning. Morning.
Daryl Hannah.
Boy, how am I going to tell my mom about this?
Just tell her you met a guy. Could be serious. He's transparent. Memoirs of an Invisible Man. A John Carpenter film.
The Flash is back again in an adventure bigger than time. The ghost of a chilling video past has come through time to take Central City hostage.
My price, $1 billion.
But even as the Flash battles to save the city, the worst is yet to come.
Fear the wrath. The deadly Nightshade.
This Nightshade is a wanton killer.
These masked men are turning this city into a war zone.
Now, against these two powerful foes, the Flash will have to double his speed.
I want answers.
Actions speak louder than words.
But is there any hope to stop this soul-shattering evil?
This is the future.
Fear me! Flash 3, The Deadly Nightshade, from Warner Home Video.
No one is safe.
Her only crime was her popularity.
Oh, I miss you so much.
Parts of my body are chattering I didn't even know I had.
Until she was the victim of injustice.
Don't look at me!
She had the right to a fair and impartial trial.
If we get him on kidnapping, we can put him away for life.
By a jury of her peers.
I want my son out from under the influence of the town whore.
She had the right to remain silent.
Everyone's gonna say, there's the town slut.
Because anything she said
I am not ashamed of anything that I have ever done.
would be held against her.
I've got your address.
He took my address out of my wallet.
If you go to the police,
It's that man right there.
I'll kill your children.
Taking Back My Life, the Nancy Ziegenmeyer story.
I had the dream again.
I've been treating this attractive, seductive young woman.
One sister was a perfect puzzle,
Everything goes up in flames.
waiting to be solved.
I just can't seem to get off your couch, can I, Dr. Barr?
She's got an older sister who just happens to be married.
Jimmy, I don't want to.
The other sister was a perfect lover,
Do you think you can help us?
waiting to be seduced.
You didn't sleep with her.
There were 1,000 reasons he shouldn't get involved,
Doesn't feel right.
Do you always try to talk yourself out of what you want?
but he did.
I'd stop seeing the girl like... I don't know if I can.
Isaac, I'm married.
Yeah.
You tried divorcing a Greek Orthodox gangster.
I don't like people looking at my wife.
Are you gonna help me or not? I wish there was something we could do to help Heather.
Anyone see you? I don't think so. Detective. detective? You think it was me?
Now you were me. What would you think?
Why did you do it?
This is crazy. What did you tell him? I didn't tell him anything.
You lied to me!
Richard Gere, Kim Basinger, Uma Thurman. Final analysis.
This film has been classified 18, which means it's for adults only. It's an offense for your shop to supply an 18 video to anyone under that age. An 18 film will certainly have an adult theme and may contain graphic scenes of sex or violence. There might also be some very explicit language, which will frequently mean sexual swear words.